Chapter 1. The Earth in the Solar System.
You must have
How
noticed
wonderful
that
it is
all
to watch
objects
the
look
sky after
smaller
sunset.
when seen
One
from a
wonderful
distance.
first
How
notice
small an aeroplane
one
looks
or
when it
two bright
is flying
dots
at
shining
a
in the
great
sky.
height.
Soon you
While
would
watching the night
see
sky,
the
you
number
may
increasing.
notice
You cannot
various
count
patterns
them
formed by
anymore.
different groups of
The whole
stars.
sky is
These are
filled
called
with
constellations.
tiny shining
Ursa Major or
objects.
Big Bear
Some are
is
bright,
one such
others
constellation.
dim. It seems
One of the
as
most easily
if the
recognizable
sky is studded
constellation
with
is
diamonds.
the
They all appear
Saptarishi.
to be twinkling.
Sapta,
But
7
if you
rishis,
look at
sages.
them carefully, you will notice
It is
that
a group
some of
of
them
7
do
stars
not twinkle as
that
others do.
forms a
They
part
simply
of
glow without
Ursa Major
any
constellation.
flicker, just
Ask
as
someone
the moon
elder
shines.
in your family or
Along
neighborhood
with these bright objects,
show
you
you
may
more
also
stars, planets,
see the
and
moon
constellation
on
in a
most
sky.
of the days.
In
It
ancient
may,
times,
however,
people
appear
used
at different
to
times
determine
in
directions
different
during the
shapes
night
and at
with the
different
help of
positions.
stars. The
You
North
can
Star
see
indicates
the full
the
moon
north
only
direction.
once in about a
It is
month's
also
time.
called the pole
It is
star.
it is full
It
moon.
always remains in the
or
same position
Purnima.
in the sky. We can locate
A
the
fortnight
position of the
later,
pole star
you
with
can see
the
it
help
all
of the Saptarishi.
you cannot see it
Look
at all.
Figure
It is
1.1.
a
You
new
will
moon
notice
night
that
in
if an
Amavasya.
imaginary
On
line
this
is
day,
drawn
you can watch the
joining
night
the
sky
pointer
best,
stars
provided it
and
is a
extended
clear
further.
night. Do you
It
wonder
will
why
point
can't we see
to
the
the
moon
pole
and
star,
all those bright tiny
Saptarishi and the
objects
North
during
Star?
the day? It is
Some
because
celestial
the
bodies
very
do not
bright light
have
of the
their
sun does
own
not
heat
allow
and light.
us
They are
to
lit by
see
the light of the
all
stars.
these bright
Such
objects
bodies
of
are
the
called
night
planets.
sky.
The word planet comes from
The sun,
the Greek word
the moon,
planetal,
and all those
planetae,
objects shining
means
in the night sky
wanderers.
are called celestial
The
bodies.
Earth
Some
on which
celestial
we
bodies
live
are
is a
very
planet.
big and hot.
It
They are
gets
made up
all
of gases.
its heat and light from
They
the
have their
sun,
own heat and
which is
light,
our nearest
which
star.
they emit in
If
large
we look
amounts.
at the Earth from a
These
great
celestial
distance,
bodies are called
say
stars.
the moon,
The sun is
it
a
will
star.
appear to be
Countless
shining just
twinkling
as
stars
the
in
moon.
night sky are
The moon
similar to the
that
sun,
we see
but
in
we
the
do
sky
not
is a
feel their
satellite.
heat or light,
It is
and
a
they look so
companion
tiny
of
because
our
they are
Earth
very,
and moves
very
round
far
it from us. Like our Earth, there are 7 other planets too that get heat and light from the sky. Some of them have their moons too. The solar system, the sun, 8 planets, satellite, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteorites. Distance in million kilometers.
From the solar system.
1
We
million
often call
equals to
it
10
a
lakh.
solar family.
Mercury,
With
one
the sun
orbit around
as its
sun,
head,
88 days.
the
One
sun.
spin on
The sun
axis,
is in the
59
center
days.
of the solar system. It
Venus,
is huge and
one
made up of
orbit around
extremely
sun,
hot gases.
255 days.
It provides
One
the
spin on
pulling
axis,
force
443
that binds
days.
the solar system.
Earth.
The sun
Sun
is
is
around
the
sun,
ultimate source of
365 days.
heat and
One
light
spin
from the
on
solar
axis,
for
1
the
day.
solar system.
Number of moons, 1.
But the
Mars.
tremendous
One orbit
tremendous heat
around sun.
is not felt so much by us
687
because
days. One
despite
spin
being
on
our
axis, 1 day.
nearest star,
Number of moons,
it is
2.
far away
Inner
from
planets,
us. The sun
very
is
close
about
to the sun.
150
They are
million
made up
kilometers
of
away from the
rocks.
sun. Planets.
Jupiter.
There are 8 planets in a solar system.
One orbit
In order
around sun.
of
11
their
years,
distance
11
from the
months.
sun,
About 12 years.
they are Mercury,
One
Venus,
spin
Earth,
on
Mars,
axis.
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
9
An
hours,
easy way
56
to
minutes.
memorize
Number
the
of
name
moons,
of the
about
planets
53.
is in order
Saturn.
of their distance from
One
the sun
orbit
is
around sun.
my
29
very
years, 5 months.
efficient
One spin
mother
on axis.
just
10 hours, 40
served
minutes.
us
Number
nuts.
of moons, about 53.
All the 8 planets
Uranus.
of the solar system
One
move
orbit around sun.
around
84
the
years,
sun
1
in fixed paths.
84 years.
These paths
One
are
spin
elongated.
around axis.
elongated.
17 hours, 14 minutes.
They
Number
are
of
called
moons,
orbits.
about 27.
Mercury is nearest
One
to
orbit
the sun.
around sun.
It
takes
takes
only
only
64
about
years.
88
One
days
spin
to
on
complete
axis. One
16
round
hours 7
or
minutes
along
number
its
of orbit.
13.
Venus is
Outer
considered
planets,
as
very far
Earth's
from
twin
the sun
because its
and
size
are huge
and shape
planets
are
made
very
up
much
of gas
similar to
gases
that
and
of
liquids.
the Earth. Till recently, August 2006, Pluto was also considered a planet. However, in a meeting of the International Astronomical Union, a decision was taken that Pluto, like other celestial bodies, Ceres 2003 UB, discovered in recent past, may be called dwarf planets. The Earth. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun in size. It is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why its shape is described. That is why its shape is described as a geode. Geode means an Earth-like shape. Conditions favorable to support life and probably found only on the Earth. The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air, which are very essential for our survival. The air has life-supporting gases like oxygen. Because of their reasons, the Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. From the outer space, the Earth appears blue because its two-thirds surface is covered by water. It is therefore called a blue planet. Do you know? Light travels at the speed of about 300,000 km per second. Yet, even with this speed, the light of the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the Earth. The moon. Our Earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 then of the Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 km away from us. Interesting fact. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon on 21st July 1969. Find out whether any Indian has landed on the moon. Now you can compare the distance of the Earth from the Sun and that from the moon. The moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the Earth. The moon does not have a satellite. Is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets move around the sun. A human-made satellite is an artificial body. It is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit of around the Earth. Some of the Indian satellites in space are INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. The moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has mountains, plains and depressions on its surface that these cast shadows on the moon's surface. Look at the full moon and observe these shadows. Asteroids. Apart from the stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Scientists are of the view that asteroids are part of a planet which exploded many years back. Meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the Earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction which the air they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burned, falls on the earth and creates a hole. Do you see a whitish broad band, like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night? It is a cluster of millions of stars. This band is the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and cloud of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not certain about its size, but we know that all of us, you and I, belong to this universe.